Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying the Nishman Cp Powder Styling White Coverage. Stay tuned for more tips.
It hits my brain and I start to panic. Blood, my veins, the pressure is automatic. It leaves me faded.
Nishman Cp Powder Styling White Coverage with its special formulation gives great styling and white coverage. It is easy to apply to create volume and mattifying look while covering white hair, light control and black hair all day long.
Step outside of the shadows. If you jump then I'll follow. Sirens scream in the night. Don't wait too long. It hits my brain and I start to panic. Blood, my veins, the pressure is automatic.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products and stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.